Hey guys, I'm gonna drive my bike around the circle a couple times, and you're gonna be my dash cam in there with Elfie and with my horn. I don't know what to do. I have a horn app on my phone, like a car horn, not this. But since I'm filming, I can't use that or else it will end. Yes, I am filming on my phone. I do this for like every single video that I upload on my channel. Anyways, we're just waiting for Zaya. There's his bike right there. So yeah, this is how you're gonna be. This is just a little test. I'm just gonna go see Zaya. I'm not actually gonna drive, but yes, you're gonna be driving. There. Okay. Now just wait. No cuts, anything. Just a test. Okay, get it. Okay. So did you like it? Here's how you're gonna feel the entire video. Another test. I'm parking in the shade. Yes, I'm gonna film the door the entire time. Plus, you like and subscribe, and give my channel to 100 million views and likes, and then I will make even more shit than I do. Like I'll make 20 free videos a day. Yeah, so like and subscribe. Get all my videos to 20 million views, or at least 20 free views. I don't care. Get it to at least 20 free views, and I'll make 20 free videos a day. I guess my favorite number is 23, so don't judge me. Anyways, this is my bike. Yes, I said I was going to film the door the entire time, but I don't really feel like doing that. Lame. Okay, I'm going to do a cutscene. Zaya, is that you? Okay. I see a bike. There it is. So that's what I'm going to drive. Might see these videos one more. Might see me driving my bike one more time. On Wednesday. Wednesday. I don't know if you can see me, but yeah. You definitely What the hell? Oh my god, fuck. Oh, dead. What are you doing?
I'm loading and I'm going back out. Oh, why'd you shut it?
I didn't shut it. I did. Fine. Fine, I'll turn around. Jesus. Oh, looks like a storm's coming. Oh well. This video, I'm gonna do some inside videos after this, so. Oh, Jesus Christ, that scared the hell out of me. Whee! There are too many people, so, yeah, I'm just gonna have to drive off the circle. I'm driving off the circle right now. I have to drive filming anymore. I film off cars. I think I'm good. Okay. This is scary. Yeah. I'm gonna get it back to driving now. They won't expect a thing. Okay, there. Okay. Wait, what are you doing, Zaya? Why are you doing that? Oh, you're on, buddy. Hold on. There. I'm gonna run over a bunch of pythons. Oof. Dead. I ran over a stick. Ouch. Yahoo! Why are you stopping? I know, goodbye. God, I ran into a tree. Oh my God. Are you okay? Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna end over there and end the video. Okay. We are in our final destination of the video. Anyways, this was really fun driving my bike. Zaya, get over here! Anyways, see ya. And